Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag 2Crafters1Design as well as Saturday Morning Makes. And before we get into it, next week's theme will be umbrella, so use anything with an umbrella. I'll have the ladies' links down below. That will be Julia Norwood, which is the host of Saturday Morning Makes, myself, Mo Creations, Gloria, which is Girliest Cards, and UCY I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. All right, let's jump right in. And today I will be using prize ribbon, twisted citron, this die that was in my stash, ginger Easter bunnies, and I will be using one of these dies, and You're Somebody Special, medium ginger bow dies from My Creative Time, and ginger Easter 2, and this is that set there. So let me show you how my card turned out. Thought it turned out really cute, and here we go. So if you've been watching me a while, you know that I made these little bunny bows from My Creative Time's little bunny set, and so I thought I would pop it down on the card. I inked up my own background, added a little bit of water on there just to get a little bit of splatter. I also colored in the hearts there and added some enamel dots, and also that little gem there that I had in my stash for a while. So, and then there goes the inside of that. And that's all I have for you. Make sure you visit the ladies' links down below. Thanks so much, everyone. You will have a blessed and crafty day.